Hi, today we're going to be experimenting with liquid nitrogen. We've got a clear container here so you can see the results. I'm going to pour the liquid nitrogen into the container. Okay, now I'm going to put on some gloves, heavy duty gloves. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to take a gummy worm and just simply drop it partially into the liquid nitrogen. Let it sit in that for just a moment. And look how rock hard the gummy worm has gotten in just a few moments. I mean, it broke. Just tapping it on the table broke it. Okay. Now next, I have a tomato. I'll put the tomato into the liquid nitrogen. I mean, just look at that bubbling. Let's see if I can scoop the tomato out without let me get something to get that out with. I'm just going to use a car key. There we go. Now, the tomato, hard as a rock. Take a hammer. It takes 2 hits with a hammer to bust open the frozen tomato. Okay. Next, I'm going to take a flower. It's kind of like a daisy, and I'm going to stick it down into the liquid nitrogen. And let it soak momentarily. Pull it out, nice and steamy. and it just crumbles like it's made of glass. I'm going to take a rose, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to stick the rose into the liquid nitrogen and let it soak just momentarily. Take it out. It just crumbles like it's dust. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.